Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a perfect butter omelet. First, gather your ingredients: 2-3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, and a pinch of salt. You'll also need an 8-10-inch nonstick pan and a flexible spatula. Having everything ready ensures a smooth cooking process. Next, crack your 2-3 eggs into a small bowl. Add just a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Now, whisk the eggs vigorously for about 20-30 seconds. You want them to be light and frothy, incorporating a bit of air for a fluffy texture. Avoid overwhisking, which can make them tough. Now, place your nonstick pan over medium heat and melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Ensure the butter coats the entire bottom of the pan. Once the butter is foamy, pour in your whisked eggs. Let them set for about 30-60 seconds, gently pushing the cooked edges towards the center with your spatula. Continue cooking until the top of the omelet is mostly set but still looks slightly moist. This indicates a creamy interior. Gently fold 1/3 of the omelet over the center, then fold the other side over. Carefully slide your perfectly cooked butter omelet onto a plate and enjoy it immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.